At least 9 persons were reported dead in a fire that broke out inside a stationary train compartment in Madurai railway station in the wee hours of Saturday. The Southern Railway said, adding, a gas cylinder illegally taken in led to the blaze. Police, fire and rescue services personnel, beside railway staff, involved in dousing the fire, extricated the charred bodies from the compartment. The fire broke out at 5:15 am on Saturday, and the fire service personnel who arrived at the spot half an hour later put down the blaze by 7:15 am, a Southern Railway release said. The release said that this is a private party coach that was attached at Nagarcoil Junction on August 25 by Punalur Madurai Express. The party coach was detached and kept at Madurai stabling line. The passengers in the private party coach have smuggled gas cylinder, and this has caused the fire. The party coach had started the journey from Lucknow on August 17th, scheduled to return to Chennai on Sunday and return to Lucknow from there, the release added. The release also said that while the coach was parked, some members of the party in the private party coach were using the illegally smuggled cooking gas cylinder unauthorizedly for preparing tea and snacks, which caused the fire in the parked coach.
Today early morning by 5:30 there was a fire accident in a coach which was halted here at Madurai railway station. The pilgrims, they were travelling from Uttar Pradesh, and this coach was halted here by a train from Nagarcoil to Madurai, and it is supposed to halt here for 2 days. So some 55 passengers plus 8 helpers have been travelling, it seems, and today morning when they tried to make coffee for them, when they lighted the stove, there was a blast of the cylinder, it seems, and due to this there was a casualty, and others were rescued. Some 55 people were rescued, and as of now we have retrieved 9 bodies from inside the coach, and among them it is 5 male and 3 female, and 1 we could not identify the body, and remaining rescue operations going on.
Most of the passengers could get out of the coach on noticing the fire. Some passengers had already got down at the platform before detachment of the coach. Ex gratia of rupees 10 lakh was being paid to each of the family of the deceased, it said. Southern Railway also announced 2 helpline numbers for information related to the fire incident and casualties.